Ayun! Good news! What is our good news?
Oh, the police came for the verification. If she's a real person or not.
So, super fast, no? Because we applied... Mishu! We applied
She's telling also.
We applied the OCI. Mishu! Hala. So, we applied the OCI last December 12. And then, na-survey kami ng 18 of December. So, nagdidi na siya, guys. So, what happened? Just tell them.
So, what happened that today, the police from the central government came and they came here for the verification of my beloved wifey. So, they asked a lot of questions. I mean, questions, where do you meet?
Same as in the test paper, no? Where we...
Kind of, yes, same. Just general. Just don't be afraid if you're just applying for that. You have to just tell them what happened. That's it. And it's interesting story for everyone. They have their own stories. So we told our side like that, and they were like, oh, okay, cool. So they questioned me first, and then they questioned her. They tried to question her, but she couldn't answer. It's like, okay, when did you get born? She like, ah.
And then...
What is the date of birth? Ah. Like that.
So, I'm very happy because it's very fast, no? And then hopefully, maybe by January or maybe second week of February, I can get na my OCI. And by few more months, we'll go to Philippines na. Really? So, update ko kayo kapag meron na kaming, pag nakuha ko na yung aking OCI, I'm gonna share with you the requirements and kung paano nga mag-fill up ng form. Kasi yung mga video na napanood namin, nakakalito. So, yun, i-share ko yung mga pinasa namin. Kasi wala kaming inulit ng mga documents. So, yes. And then the papa. And look, the papa is enjoying her beauty. Greet them a Merry Christmas. Few more days.
Yeah. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually.
What actually? Greet them Merry Christmas.
Acha. Okay. Yes, of course. Merry Christmas, guys. And here, the Christmas spirit is with us.
It's very cold, no? December 21 nga, isang araw bago yung Christmas party namin, ayun, nagkasakit na si Mishi, guys. Meron kasing viral dito kasi yung dalawang mga bata dito, si Hershey and Rianch, nagkasakit din. Kaya ayun, nagkasakit din si Mishi. So, to be continue yung ating vlog, no? Kasi nagpunta kami sa hospital, guys. Kararating lang namin, pina-check up namin si Mishi kasi yung papa niya ayaw talagang huminto sa pag-alala ba. Kahit okay naman siya, nakatawa naman si Mishi, tas minsan laro-laro siya, tas nagdididi pa naman siya. Okay pa naman siya, hindi naman yung matamlay. Pero yung papa niya is gusto niya ipa-check up kaagad. So, napunta kami doon sa Tija. Tapos, yun, binigyan lang si Mishi ng antibiotic kasi meron na kaming gamot sa kanya ng paracetamol, yung Calpol ba, and then yung para sa ubo. Binigyan lang siya ng allergy and ano yung isa, basta merong dalawang binigay tapos isang nasal drop para sa colds. Tapos yun, umuwi na kami. Sobrang dali lang kasi unang-una malapit lang yung sa Tija sa bahay. Pangalawa is hapon na, guys, mga alas 5 kasi available daw yung doctor ng mga alas 5. So wala nang pila. Kaya mabilis kami and mabilis din kami nakauwi. So anyway, dahil nga may sakit yung mga person, so parang postpone yung aming Christmas party, supposed to be tomorrow kasi tumawag din si Sister Rose na may sakit din daw yung asawa niya at saka si Simran. So move lang namin sa next Sunday. Kasi guys, dito may pasok kasi. May pasok kasi dito. Hindi katulad sa atin na pag Christmas, may Christmas holiday ba. Dito may pasok pa rin. 25 lang sila walang pasok. Pero the rest of the day may pasok na sila. So, update tayo kay Munchi. So, kagabi, sobrang taas ng lagnat niya. Umabot siya ng 39.4 degrees Celsius yung init. So, wala kaming tulog kagabi. Ito yung pinaka first time na super taas ng lagnat niya. Tapos, hindi siya magpapababa. Tapos, kinold compress ko siya kasi sobrang init. So, nagamit ko naman yung aking basic first aid for baby kay Monji. So, ngayon, wala na siyang lagnat. And, naglaro-laro na siya. Kumain na din siya. And then, iinom siya ng gamot. No. Iinom siya ng gamot ngayon kahit wala na siyang lagnat kasi kailangan continuous yung gamot niya for 3 days. Ayan. So, are you okay na? No. So, painamin ko muna siya ng gamot, guys. So, meron siyang Highline is for the allergy, something like that. Tapos, yung Calpol. Calpol is 3 times in a day. So, Mishi will drink the Calpol. Na lang. Na. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Na. Very good. Oh, bas na, bas. Oy. No. No. Dali na. Bas na. Done. Tapos, sa kanya namang colds, meron siyang, ito guys, nasal drop. Ito. Mga 4 times in a day. So, mamaya ko na ibigay yung kanyang nasal drop. No, for the nose. For now, ano na lang. Okay na siya. Wala na siyang init. Hindi katulad ko gabi. Sobrang alalang-alala kami. Hello, Moto! Tumawag si Buwaji.
रात से तो बेटर है बेबे फीवर
No, she don't have fever now.
फीवर को नहीं उसके बाकी दवाई तो चलेंगे बे लेकिन रात
Wala kasi si Didi Pretty ngayon, nasa Biwani siya. So, minomonitor din niya kami kung paano yung health ni Mishi. Wow. Super. Everyone is worried for Mishi.
लेकिन है ना वो स्ट्रांग है कोई नहीं मतलब बस ठीक है.
Who is strong, Mishu?
Mishi है. मिशी मम्मी दो रहे खेल रहे हैं अपनी मम्मी दो रहे.
She's again sleepy. So, ayun na nga. Hindi nga kami natuloy sa aming Christmas party today, which is December 22. Kasi nga, di ba, nagkasakit din yung family ni Sister Rose and kami din dito. Kaya na-postpone yung aming Christmas party. So, we will have a Christmas party next Sunday. So, tapos na yung Pasko. But, it's okay. Better than nothing, diba? Kasi yung change gift din namin, hindi pa namin naibibigay, of course. So, let's see. Hopefully na maging okay na yung mga health namin, ng aming mga kapamilya. Para tuloy-tuloy na din yung aming Christmas party. Ayan na yung Monchi, oh. Ayan. Laro na siya. So, ayun na nga mga guys. That's our update for today. Merry Christmas to all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.